Hello everyone, welcome to Vinny M's Phantom Wheelers with a short video showing you my rear GoPro setup on my 2020 Polaris RZR. This is a pretty easy project using the clamp mounts attached to the bumper. These clamp mounts can be ordered from eBay or Amazon and are a pretty straightforward install. You'll want to mount your camera with a protective waterproof housing and use a good double-sided adhesive tape to attach the mount to the clamp. Inside the cab, I have installed a glove compartment tablet holder. These can be ordered from various suppliers online. You'll want to download and install GoPro's Quick app onto your tablet, which is available on the App Store and the Play Store online. Once installed, the app will connect to your camera wirelessly, and your camera can be conveniently controlled from your tablet. Now you're ready to catch the action following you from the driver's seat.